Now we will see the explanation. These are the characters of the story: Tom Sawyer, Sid, Aunt Polly, Mary. Here is the story of a boy named Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer was a school student. It was Monday morning. Tom was unhappy as he wished he could stay at home. He did not want to go to the school. He wanted to make an excuse. He had a loose tooth, but he decided not to complain about it because Aunt Polly would pull it out. Tom decided to make his sore toe an excuse. He started groaning loudly and the noise woke Sid up. Sid wanted to call Aunt Polly. Tom acted like he did not want him to call Auntie, but he still pretended as if he was on his deathbed. Sid ran downstairs to call their auntie. Aunt Polly got worried when Sid told her about Tom. She ran upstairs with Sid and Mary close behind her. She saw Tom and asked what had happened to him. Tom complained about his sore toe. She told him to get out of his bed. Then Tom complained of his loose tooth. She understood that Tom was making excuse. She then looked inside his mouth and told Mary to bring a silk thread and a piece of coal from the kitchen fire. She pulled the tooth out with the help of silk thread and the piece of hot coal. Now, once again, I am narrating the story. Tom Sawyer was unhappy. It was 7 o'clock on Monday. He wished he could stay at home, but there was nothing wrong with him. Suddenly, he discovered something. One of his teeth was loose. He was about to start groaning when he remembered something. If he complained about a bad tooth, his aunt would pull it out. That would hurt. No, that wouldn't work. Then he found a sore toe, a good excuse. He lay in bed groaning loudly. Sid woke up. What's the matter, Tom? Oh, Sid, don't touch me, groaned Tom. What's the matter, Tom? I must call Auntie. Don't call anybody, it will all be over soon. But I must. Don't groan like that, Tom. It's terrible. I forgive you all the bad things you have done to me, Sid said, Tom still groaning. Oh, Tom, please don't die. Sid ran downstairs and shouted, Oh, Aunt Polly, Tom's dying. Dying? Yes, come quickly. Don't be silly, I don't believe it. But she ran upstairs with Sid and Mary close behind her. Tom, what's the matter with you? She said. Oh, Auntie, it's my sore toe. It's dead. Oh, Tom, what a fright you gave me. Now stop this noise and get out of bed. Aunt Polly, it seemed dead and it hurt so much that I even forgot about my sore tooth, replied Tom. Your tooth? What's the matter with your tooth? It's loose and it hurts. Open your mouth and let me see, said his aunt. Yes, there is a loose one there, but you are not going to die because of that. Mary, get me a silk thread and a piece of coal from the kitchen fire. Oh, please, auntie, don't pull it out. It doesn't hurt anymore. Please don't, auntie. I don't want to stay at home from school. Oh, so that's why you were making such a noise. You thought you had be able to stay at home from school. You are a bad boy, Tom. By this time, Mary had returned. The old lady tied one end of the thread to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost. She took the piece of hot coal and suddenly pushed it almost into the boy's face. Tom quickly pulled back his head, and now the tooth was out, hanging on the thread by the bedpost. Now we will see questions. Number 1. Why was Tom unhappy? Answer. Tom was unhappy because he did not want to go to school. Number 2. What did he want to do on Monday? Answer. He wanted to stay at home on Monday. Number 3. What was a good excuse? And excuse for what? Answer. Tom's sore toe was a good excuse because he did not want to go to school. Number 4. Who was Sid? Answer. Sid was Tom's brother. Number 5. Why did Tom start groaning? Answer. Tom started groaning because he wanted someone to hear him. Number 6. Why did Tom say it will be over soon? Answer. Tom said it will be over soon because he wanted everybody to feel sorry for him. Number 7. Was Aunt Polly worried when Sid told her about Tom? Answer. Yes, Aunt Polly was worried when Sid told her about Tom. Number 8. What was the matter with Tom's tooth? Answer. One of Tom's tooth was loose. Number 9. What did Aunt Polly ask Mary to bring from the kitchen fire? Answer. Aunt Polly asked Mary to bring piece of coal from the kitchen fire. Number 10. What was the other thing she said to bring? Answer. She said to bring a silk thread. Number 11. Why did Aunt Polly want a silk thread? Answer. Aunt Polly wanted a silk thread to tie it to Tom's loose tooth in order to extract it. Number 12. Why did Aunt Polly want a piece of coal from the fire? Answer. Aunt Polly wanted a piece of coal from the fire in order to scare back Tom so that she could easily pull out his loose tooth with the silk thread? Number 13. Did Tom go to school that day? Answer. Tom Sawyer went to school that day because Aunt Polly had already extracted Tom's loose tooth. Thank you.